July 4th. It's almost 4:30 p.m. I don't know if you can hear me over all the noise, but this is what's left of Riverside Arena. You can see there's a lot of cleanup going on. We got two guys over here on a wood pile that are just poking wood away, left, right, and center. As my husband Bob said, "You can do," waiting on the wood pile. But here we are. Sorry I couldn't get down here earlier. I just came down earlier and got a few pictures, but this is the video of the day. I have a feeling that come tomorrow is when we're going to lose this part of the building. So until then, for Riverside Arena. As Kevin Shea put it, we used to be Riverside Rebels, now we're Riverside Rebels.